about how can you fix this problem on your Photoroom app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. In there you're looking for Photoroom app, or just click here on search, then here add Photoroom app. It's going to show for you like this here. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on force stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, then come to storage list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then you search here for Photoroom map. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.